For this question, we are going to continue using column addition, but this time there are three numbers, and two of them have 4 digits and one of them only has 3 digits. So again, we're going to be focusing on alignment when we are answering this question. So we're going to start off with 5,347 and then 2,286. And then for the last one, it's 495. So this has only got 3 digits. We've got to be careful how we align it because we could end up creating a completely different number. So sometimes to stop any confusion, you can almost work backwards. So 5, 9, 4. The reason I've gone backwards is if I accidentally put the 4 into the thousands column, I would have created the number 4,950 rather than 495. So it's checking our alignments when we're doing this calculation. So just as before, we're going to have the addition sign, and then we are going to start solving this question. So think of it as 7 add 6 is 13, and then 13 add 5 is 18. So just as before, you're going to put the 8 from the ones column here, and you're going to carry across the 1 because it was 18 and the 1 was in the tens column. So now it's going to be really 40 add 80 add 90 add 10, but to make things easier, 4 add 8 add 9 add 1. So I'm going to start with 4 add 8 is 12, 12 add 9 is 21, and 21 add 1 is 22. So I'm going to put a 2 there and carry a 2 across, and then cross that out just so I can remember I've used it. Now for this one, really 300 add 200 add 400, add another 200, but to make things easier, 3 add 2 add 4 add 2. Let's start at the top. 3 add 2 is 5, 5 add 4 is 9, 9 add 2 is 11. So I'm going to put a 1 there and carry a 1 over. So in this case, it's really 5,000 add 2,000, add 1,000. But to make things easier, I'm going to do it as 5 add 2 add 1. So 5 add 2 is 7, add 1 is 8. So the answer to the calculation, 5,347 add 2,286 add 495 is 8,128.